Now guys, suddenly out of nowhere one guy came to give a parcel and it was in my name. We did not order anything, but since it was on my name, they received the parcel and they brought it inside to give it to me.
Hi Rice, this parcel for you.
Who ordered? Okay guys, so today I received one gift. Now this is my birthday gift guys. Somebody has sent me a birthday gift. Let's see what is inside guys. I am also curious to know what is inside. Let's open it up quickly. It's been a long time, my birthday is over guys, but the gifts are still coming, which is very nice. I just love it. So let's quickly open it guys. It is come from Flipkart. Guys can see it's a Flipkart parcel, big billion sale and all that stuff. So here comes out the gift guys. Who is excited about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. So here my birthday gift is coming out guys. Birthday gift. It is written here Wildcraft, as you guys can see. I will take it on my unboxing table and I will show you guys properly. But for now, let me open and let me see what I have got here. And wow guys, wow. These are nice shoes from Wildcraft. So first guys, let me check if it is the correct shoe size. And yes guys, it is the correct shoe size. It is number 10. My shoe size is number 10. And the person who has sent me these shoes knows my size guys. So whoever who have sent these shoes, a big thank you to them. It's truly amazing guys. Thank you so much. If you guys like them, do let me know in the comment section below. So let's go to our unboxing table and I will show you guys the shoes properly from close. So let's go to the unboxing table. So guys, here are the shoes. Just have a look at them guys. They look awesome. I will show them to you all around. As you guys can see, just have a look at the laces. There is a W printed here. Wildcraft is written here. Pro Track is written here. And just have a look at the lace system guys. You can take the laces out just like this. It is like a hook. So the last two lace holes are the hooks, as you guys can see. Now the next thing that I saw very interesting about these shoes is the sole guys. Just have a look at the sole. None of my shoes have this type of sole guys. With these shoes you can go trekking and you won't face any problem. You won't slip. So amazing pair of shoes. Again Wildcraft is written on the sole. I'm already starting to love these shoes guys. Now here if you see, then you guys can see the size is printed. And the original price of these shoes is 4,799 rupees, as you guys can see. And it is written here multi-terrain outdoor footwear, and it is engineered for outdoors guys. So to test these shoes I will have to go trekking, I will have to go on the hills, I will have to climb the mountains. So let's see what happens guys. We'll do that, don't worry about it. Now the laces look premium. Now when you get a gift like this, it blows your mind guys. And this is also the shape that I like to wear guys, the high neck shoes. So let's take the inner sole out and let's see how it looks like guys. So here comes out the inner sole, and the inner sole looks something like this. It is nice and spongy, and on the inside if you look at the shoes, it's like a normal thing. You guys know how it is most of the time. So I will put the sole back now. Another thing that I liked about the shoes is this grey line which is there all around. This really makes the shoes pop out. White would look even more better, but grey also is looking awesome guys. So there you have it guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So whoever has gifted me these shoes, I'm so very thankful to them. I will try to find these shoes online and I will try to put a link of it in the description or on the screen here. You can definitely go there and check them out by yourself. Now guys, when I go outdoors and on a rocky place, or if I am doing trekking, then surely I'm going to use these shoes. So let's see when I get to do that guys. Hopefully I will get a chance to wear this soon. When I wear them, I'm going to show you guys that I'm wearing them so that you guys can check them out. So that's all in this video guys, and I'm hoping that you enjoyed this video. If you did not subscribe to my channel, then see there to subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos guys. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again.